Bus Duct is the compact, flexible, and safe choice for distributing electrical power through data centers. With rapid installation and continuous access to branch-off power, bus ducts can be adapted quickly to add power wherever it's needed. With all electrical assets, joints are typically the weak spots where faults occur, resulting in outages. The bus duct is heavy. The effect of gravity, constant heating and cooling, and movement from vibration or seismic activity will distort and compromise joints. A compromised joint can only be identified by the excess heat it generates. Hotspots that are not identified and corrected can lead to power failures, or worse, fire, resulting in costly, unplanned downtime. Checking for hotspots currently relies on periodic inspection and estimating temperature using a thermal camera.
Introducing Exertherm's 24/7 Bus Duct Monitoring Solution.
Simply run the cable along the bus duct, clipping the embedded sensors to the joint sections. This can be done when the bus duct is being installed. The system will collect real-time temperature data and identify the precise location of a potentially disruptive or dangerous rise in temperature, alerting users via the BMS or EPMS management system or via built-in local alerts. The Exertherm Bus Duct Monitoring Solution can predict up to 70% more failures than periodic inspection, enhancing safety and saving costs through increased efficiency.